Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a deep clean of the laundry area, and y'all, it was pretty messy because I haven't done it since I moved in. So stay tuned and see how the finished results go. So we're gonna start by getting everything out of the closet so that I can have my husband move the washer and dryer so that I can get behind it. Yeah, that's a pile of dirty laundry, y'all. I went back to work and now my schedule is like all thrown off, but your girl's gonna get back on track.
See how much I want it, see how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. That's how much I want it, that's how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes.
Please do not judge me for all the stuff that is behind this thing, or even how dusty this laundry area is. Like, I don't even know where all that dust even came from, or like how to prevent it from coming again. Like, I don't know.
Look into my eyes. Look into my eyes. I'm dancing on the tables, trying my best to forget, Ooh, then no one coming through the door is your silhouette. Oh, I'm in a wonderland. I'm in a wonderland. I'm in a wonderland. I'm in a wonderland, but I miss your hands and it's making me crazy. Look into my eyes.
Let me tell y'all, your girl was determined to get that dust gone, okay? Like, my towel would not fit in the, I guess that's where the water hooks up to the washer. My towel wouldn't fit in there, so I had to go and get the handy, trusty, dusty vacuum, and we just went to town on the whole room.
How bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. That's how much I want it. That's how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes.
I saw it coming. I guess it had to be done. Our love was fading like snowflakes on my tongue. This time it's different.
Now, I normally clean my washer out with just vinegar and run a hot water cycle about once a month. But y'all, when I opened that middle thing, it was disgusting and it smelled really, really bad. So, what do you guys clean out your washers with? Like, let me know. Does that part come out where you can fully wash it, or what? I got a lot of it out that was in there, and it smells a lot better. But like, how do you really supposed to clean that? Let me know down in the comments.
We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down, down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. It's like we're not going anywhere. Maybe it's because there's something in the air. And I don't even care, no, no. I don't even care anymore. It's like we're losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around. So where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? This is what we do. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down, down to the beat, y'all. Let's get down. We get down to the beat, y'all. Yeah, it's like I'm stuck in this mystic cloud, waiting for something I can't get out. And I don't even care, no, no. I don't even care anymore. It's like we're losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around. Yeah. Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? We're starting all over. And let's get together now, so we can find a spark in the night. Yeah. Boogie down. Come on. Blow that. That's right.
After getting the washer all cleaned out with my multi-purpose spray, I ended up throwing in a Tide Pod and just running an empty cycle on hot water just to get it all nice and rinsed out.
I got your eyes on my mind. You're like a fine bottle of wine. I crave your kiss all the time. Baby, I wanna drink you up tonight. But it's so hard to focus when you're standing next to me. Baby, you're all that I need. You keep turning me on. You keep making me feel so good. So good. I know
thank you for making it to the end of this video. Let me know how you like it down in the comments. Also, let me know what you guys are doing for fall. Are you deep cleaning? Are you decorating? How do you get ready for a new season?